Previously on Projects and Problems. I'm gonna break out the pressure washer. These mats are absolutely atrocious. Like, they just don't. I'm going to get these carpets clean. By the time I'm finished cleaning it, it'll be totally clean. Possibly washed. That looks, oh, that's a good quality. The problem is the mats on the right are different shapes. I mean, could this day be any worse right now? Oh, come on, battery. Are you serious?
Uh-oh.
All right, stay tuned till next time. Hey, Project Fam, welcome back. We're almost done. So when we left off last, we weren't getting a tow because of the battery issue. We were getting a tow because I have an appointment to go to the Porsche dealership to fix the roof. I'll finally get the roof working. Took a few days, but she is back. Looking so sweet, sitting on the back of the tow truck. Hope that's the last time I see her up there.
Uh-oh.
First things first, Porsche. All right, so the first thing we got to do is we got to change the battery. So the battery was changed. I put a really strong battery in, and since I have this new battery, I need to make sure that it stays charged. So when I'm in the garage and I'm not driving the car, like I should be, I put a trickle charge on it to make sure that that battery stays charged all the time. So what I do is I plug it in, and I actually close the hood fully. I turn the alarm on, and that's how I'm able to keep the battery charged while I'm still working on the car. Here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Look at that clam open, the sides flip down, the roof will close. Yes. Took it to the dealership. They took care of me. All done. Okay, I did say all done, but there's a few more things I got to do to the car. I got to jack it up, and what I want to do is put on that little rocker that goes underneath the well. But before I do that, let me open up my presents and show you the replacement mats. Now, these mats have no customization. These mats came right from the dealer. I don't love them, but what I really wanted, I could not get. So I'm going to use these instead. So, printed Porsche, but it's in black. It's black on black. I really wanted the letters in white or a light gray on black. Wasn't offered, or I couldn't find it at least. And I didn't want any crazy like red or pink or anything like that. So, this is what I have. That's the right shape. See that indentation? That's perfect. For those who are like, hey, why are you putting those mats on the hood? You're going to scratch the paint? I'm going to paint it anyway. It's going to get repainted. Whether I do it myself or I'm going to take it to my body shop guy, it's going to get repainted anyway. All right, what else do we have? This should be my rocker panel. I'm kind of happy I bought this rocker panel because plastic over time, when it weathers, it gets brittle. And even if I would have figured out how to put that rocker panel in, all of those clips were like broken or about to break. So now I have a rocker panel that's got fresh clips. Come on, man. There we go. Look at that. It even comes with the clips. Oh, and it comes with the rubber that goes next to the wheel, like a little mud flap. This is really good. That was a bonus, because I actually planned to take it off the old one and put it on the new one. Yeah, that's annoying. So let's compare the new one with the old one to make sure. It looks pretty good. Counting the clips. I should clean off that table. It looks right. This is better than I expected. There's one clip. I have to put it on the new one from the old one. And there are assorted clips and screws that I have to get from, not the dealer, but my paint supply store sells screws and things, and I do have to stock up on some of the standard screws. Perfect. Those lights are kind of yellow. All right, here are the mats. Not a great job with the lighting, but I'm removing the old mats. I did get them clean last video. Again, putting it on the roof. I know. Bad move. Don't have to say it. So, in a lot of the German cars, you have those circular Velcro pins, and I have it only on the machine. It works fine, but on the Beast they don't work fine. So I hope these actually work fine and they fit right on the bottom of the mat. I hope they work fine on this mat. I don't think they will, and I'll explain a little bit later. When I say work fine, what does that mean? So first I have to find the other hole in the carpet, which I didn't. So when you take the cars to, like, I won't even say taking it to a car wash, but if you take your car to a car wash and they remove the mats and they're going to vacuum it, what they're going to do is they're going to take off those circular Velcro pins and you're going to lose them. I don't even know. I didn't even want mats for the rear. It came as a set because, yeah, it's a 4-seater, but who's really going to sit back there? And if by chance I do put a small person back there, I'll just have to clean it right after they leave. But now I have mats. I'll put them in place and basically I'm going to move the seats all the way back anyway. Checking out the quality of the mat. It's kind of stiff, but I like the fact that it's new. I'm a big fan of new mats. Yes, my friend, it got dirty. I took it in for some service, which I'll talk about later. Took it in for service and they dirtied it up. So I'm going to put the new mats in place. There we go. And find the hole there. So let me go grab a couple of those, what are they called, Velcro clips. And there's a screwdriver. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to push down and almost tighten those little circular Velcro inserts into the carpet. But I haven't figured out how hard to push down. I'm gonna figure that out at another time. I almost thought that maybe those circular tabs had to be from the dealer, otherwise they would not work. I mean, that's how crazy it was. Yep, I found the other holes good. And let's just put these guys in place. The car is truly a convertible. The roof works. I replaced the mats, and hey, the next thing I'll do is I will put in the rocker panel and try and get this car ready for my state trooper inspection.